Hello, we are live once again here in Atascosa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I'm Xander, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on a virtual tour of the Balance. Now, this home's name speaks for itself, and we will show you why just in a moment. So, the specs on this home are 3 beds, 2 baths, 1368 square footage, and as always, with we will be joined by Payal. Let me answer her. She's calling already. She knows the drill. Hey, how's it going, Payal?
Hey guys, how are you, Xander?
Doing good. Just trying to give these people some balance, if you know what I mean.
I was
So,
about to say that. How'd you know?
I don't know. But I guess, great minds think alike. So, yeah.
We're just amazing people in this company, so check us out.
Yes, please follow us on all our socials. And without further ado, let's take these people on a tour of the Balance.
Let's do it. Let's balance this.
All right, let me balance your audio into my camera, and we will get going here in just a moment. Okay, should be good. So, without further ado, take it away, pal.
Alrighty, Xander, thank you so much. Let's get this Balance tour started. So here we are in the kitchen of the Balance, and I love in the Balance how rich it is, how dark it is here. I really do think it gives it a very nice homey feel. Personally, when I see this kitchen and this living room area, I think it is perfect for those family nights. And one thing that makes it even better is all the storage room that the Balance has to offer, as it has 2 cabinets right there next to the fridge, 4 drawers, and 2 cabinets under the dual sink. And the dual sink is perfect for those dishes. Never let them pile up on you because you got it. And of course, this open living concept is really nice for those family nights. You're never missing a beat no matter where you are. If you're sitting at the dining table, sitting in the living room, helping cook in the kitchen, no matter where you are in this area, you're still in tune with your family. Perfect to share lots of love and happiness with. Over here we have a flex space, which in my opinion I think is perfect for a toy room for the kids, a study area for the older kids, or even an extra office, a gym, an extra art studio, whatever fits your family best. It is perfect to make it your own. The Balance offers so many opportunities to really make it your own space. So again, the Balance has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it is 1368 square feet. So here we are in the first of 3 bedrooms. And as you'll notice as we walk throughout the home, these dark wooden beams do carry, which really just makes the home so seamless and looks amazing. And you'll even notice in a lot of the areas, you'll see those little touches of black hardwood or hardware like we just did in the kitchen cabinets. And the way we're seeing even here in those sink areas on the knobs. And then we have the second bedroom over here with the closet attached. And I love how everything is connected to this flex space. It really, really makes it easy to love this area. Everything is right there next to you. You don't have to worry about a single thing. You have your bathroom, you have your bedroom all right there. And the Balance is a very seamless home. Everything is very, very connected, because even in the first living room area, this is where the primary bedroom and bathroom are. So walking in here, we have the primary bedroom with a really nice big open window over here. And again, that dark wood carries through around it, really making this home feel seamless. And I love this layout over here that we have. It is perfect. It is a great amount of space for a bedroom, especially that primary. And over here, we have the primary bathroom with a lot of storage space, as you see the 4 cabinets under 2 sinks. So you have the dual sink, and also this open closet area, which I think makes it so much easier. It's just hassle free. You just walk in, the closet's right there to meet any of your needs. You have this nice shower area. It is a very spacious shower. And I love that the Bonham Balance is not only seamless, but it offers so much space to you. So yes, that was the primary bathroom and the primary bedroom. And that was the Balance. So for anyone who missed it, it is 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and 1368 square feet. Thank you guys so much for watching.
All right, guys. I hope that tour balanced it out for y'all.
It sure did. At least for me, it did.
Thank you, Xander. Thank you.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you so much, Pyle, for helping us
Thank you,
today.
guys. Thank you, Xander. Thank you. And I'm very excited to continue giving these tours across the lot in these homes. So I can't wait to see y'all next week. Hopefully, tune in again, and we'll be back with more videos.
All right. Thank you for all your help, Pyle. We'll see
Thank
you
too.
later.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. All righty, guys. Once again, this is The Balance. Thank you so much for joining me today. As always, I'm Xander, and if you have any questions or looking for more information on this home, you can find it at findmymobilehome.com, or like always, you could give us a call at 210-510-0500. Thank you guys again for joining, and we will see you on the next live. Peace.